Great morning, my revivers. Welcome back for some early morning inspiration. Unity. I am because we are. And since we are, therefore I am. By John M. Booty. We are not solely individuals, but part of a community. Our concentric circle begins with our family, then moves outward to include our neighbors, the African American community, the American community, and the global community. When we make ourselves stronger, we make our African American community stronger. When our African American community is stronger, it makes every individual in it stronger by providing more power, more opportunities, more role models, and more hope. On this day, I would take 5 minutes to remember that one of the results of working so hard to obtain my goal is that in obtaining my goal, I help empower and advance not only myself, but my family and the entire African American community. I hope you enjoyed this EMI, and I just want you to leave with this thought. We are capable of much more than we think we are, and we cannot do everything on our own. In order to be great, to build greatness, we need people, mentors, coaches, therapists, cheerleaders. We need so much to help us become great. No one can run an empire or a great business that thrives alone. So just think of that. You need unity. Break down the walls, let your pride go. And if you need help and you need someone to assist you, someone that's been there, someone that can show you the way to become great and to achieve your goals, do that. Think of someone that you can trust and that you feel comfortable with and reach out to that person. I hope you enjoyed this EMI. Remember, this is loaded every Monday through Friday at 6 a.m. on this YouTube channel. If you enjoy it, make sure you share it and tell a friend and tell a friend. Every morning they have some great inspiration to look forward to. And guess what, guys? I will see you guys later, guys. Remember, stick to your script because you are the best at it. And do not let anything that you cannot control you. And you know exactly what I'm talking about. Later, Gators.